What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a new page into your WordPress website into a simple, fast and effective method, and of course for beginners without coding and without paying anything extra for it, okay? So no needs of extra plugins, no needs of expensive services, you can do it, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to WordPress dashboard. How to access dashboard? If you are into this page, for example, because when you install new WordPress and you are new to WordPress comes with a default theme that creates for you this homepage, okay? Now, if you review the upper right corner of our screen, the upper left corner of our screen, next to the WordPress logo type, there is an option with your site title. If you hover a mouse over it, there is a button, dashboard, okay? You can click on it. Another way, it's going to your domain.com plus wp-admin, review my browser address bar, okay? After this, review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over page. You're gonna be able to see two submenus, all pages and add new page. We're gonna click on add new page. This gonna opens for you the WordPress blocks editor and gonna opens a pop-up that you can close, okay? We're gonna focus this on later. The first thing to do is add a title. So what gonna be the title of the page that you want to create? It's very important. In my case, gonna be our website about page, okay? So here is the title. Now type or choose a block. As soon as you click on it, you're gonna be able to see a plus button to add a block. We can add elements to this section. For example, imagine that you would like to apply an image or, for example, a table. We're gonna select the table block. We're gonna choose the amount of columns, the amount of rows, and here is our block. In the case that you don't like it, all you have to do is select, click into these three dots and delete it, okay? Or just undo using the Ctrl-Z or Command-Z of your keyboard. But how to start without parts, okay? How to start it faster and simpler? Review the upper left corner of my screen. There is a little plus button in a blue color, just like this. Toggle block inserter. Click on it. Now we have blocks, patterns and media. Click on patterns. Now go to about. I want to create an about page, so I'm gonna go to about. And right here we have a couple of about page examples, okay? I'm gonna choose this one to start with. Now I have content on my page that I can customize. I can type more content in the case that I want. I can, for example, change the text. I can click into the button to apply a link on it, just like this. Let me grab a link, just like this. I can replace this image in the case that you don't like it. All I have to do is select image, click on replace, open media library. Right here we can select image from our site. For example, this one. Or click on replace again and you can upload media from your computer in the case that you want, okay? Now our about page, it's getting some shape. Now click into this option right here, type to choose block, click into the plus blue button once again, go to patterns. Let's find another option. Right here, it's a good one. Team members, 4 columns. Now we can describe the members of our team, upload images in the case that you want, change the names, the positions. Let's publish the page so we can review the results we're getting. Here are the results. It's looking like a page, okay? Of course, we need to change the image, but it's more looking like a page, okay? We can edit page. There is a toolbar of WordPress. You can click on edit page and back editing. Let me open this image. clicking on Replace, Media Library. Let's review the right sidebar. Scroll it down. Look like this image is so small. Let's try to find a bigger image. Maybe this one. Too small again. Let's upload a new image. I just need one example, so I'm gonna use this one. Click on Insert into the bottom right corner of your screen. Here is the image. Let's save the change and go to the page view. And we are getting some shapes. What else we can do? We can keep doing this, okay? Go to blocks, plus, patterns. We can move to about. We have FA keys. Let me choose the FA key so I can show you something important. As you can see, the FA keys, there is a different color, okay? Let me hit the save button. The FA keys are into a different background color. How to change this? Click into this section. Now review the button next to the save button into the upper right corner of your screen. Call it settings. Click on it. This is gonna open for you the block settings, and right here we have the background color. Scroll down and we can change the background color of the raw. We can make it a little bit lighter, just like this. Maybe looks fancy. Now let's save change. And we are getting more and more design to our page, okay? And of course, now you can customize the content in the way that you want. And of course, apply new blocks. From time to time, you're gonna getting familiar with these blocks and you're gonna start understanding how does it works. Nothing to hurry, nothing to worry about, and of course, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And remember, if you change things up, you always can come back and undo your change using this button right here, undo, Ctrl Z, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo portfolio of amazing WordPress themes or borderless plugin, chicken widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme that we can install to customize our site in the way that we want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for publishing and receiving guest posts. In addition, for sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, or app, or landing page, or game designs. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, themes, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!